JD Cap 26 here, District Disappears and Hobbies. Welcome to my channel, guys and girls, and I hope you're having a good day. This set was given to me by a friend. In his honor, this video is being done, and we want to thank Conrad. Good friend. We're going to show you this Husky set, and it is a Husky set from the inside, and let's open it up, and let's reveal the inside of it, the magic. There it says Husky, hands-on tools. Pretty old set. It's got the, what do you call it? The, metal container. And, this is not the octagon. This is the 8-point or 9-point sockets. And, that's new style type of socket. This one is the same. Wow, look at that socket. That was bought separately. That's a 5/16 socket. And let's see what this one is. This one was bought separately, 7/8. So I would think that would be a good thing to add to this kit. I think it was added to this kit. And we got sockets over here. Kind of dusty. This is a 13/16. That's a, I think, what do you call it? Spark plug is 13/16. And we got an adapter here. Okay, 1/2-inch adapter. And it's got a 1/2-inch drive. Look at that drive. It's got a patent number on it. 2554990. And 298-1389. And it's Husky CB45 USA. Made in the USA. Pretty old set. Pretty nice. See how it's got the, I'll show you right, the snap ring. Where you can take snap ring pliers, open it up, and fix the internals of these. And it's a good thing to do. Good option to do. You can't do that with some wrenches today, socket wrenches. It works pretty well. Let's see if it goes in reverse. And indeed it does. That's for unloosening. Left. And you just pull the socket off. There's no button to push on this. There's no button to push on the wrench. Let's see, an extension. CB20 extension, and this is another longer extension. Look at that, made in the USA. Can you see that? I want to show you that. See right there? Made in the USA. Okay. Pretty nice. Pretty nice set. Let me tell you. You could add a breaker bar with this set, or you could get a piece of pipe to put over the end of this grip. And but I suggest, if you're trying to break a bolt, put some brake free on it first, heat it up, and put a breaker bar on it. And don't use your socket, your wrenches, your socket wrenches to break bolts that are stuck on, frozen on, or rusted on. And that right there. Nice. Very nice. Let me see if I hit all the high points I wanted to. I'm going to look at my notes here. Okay, my notes say go over the finish. Finish after all these years, and this has been, used a lot. Finish is still pretty good on it, There's some scuff marks on it. It's well used. And no, I'm not selling it. This is a memento to a good friend. From a good friend. I think you have to lay them down like this. Put that in there like that. Let's see where it says, I do believe it says, oh wow. Can you believe it? New Britain, Connecticut. That's where I was born. Wow. That's surprising. Look at that. I want to show you that. Look at that. New Britain, Connecticut. I bet it's a part of Stanley Tools, Husky. And I don't know, but that's where Stanley Tools is in New Britain, Connecticut. So there's the set. I thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Please give me the thumbs up if you would. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.